Welcome to Select Lifestyle YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Creative and trendy design for ladies' embroidered jeans. Ladies' embroidered jeans are a captivating fusion of style and craftsmanship, seamlessly blending the timeless appeal of denim with intricate embellishments that add a touch of elegance and personality. These jeans exude a sense of artisanal charm, with meticulously stitched designs that range from delicate floral patterns to bold geometric motifs, each telling a unique story. The embroidery adorns various parts of the jeans, such as the pockets, hems, or along the sides, creating eye-catching accents that elevate the denim into a fashion statement. Whether it's subtle detailing for a hint of sophistication or vibrant embellishments for a bolder look, embroidered jeans offer endless possibilities for expressing individuality and flair. Pair them with a simple blouse or a fitted top to let the intricate embroidery take center stage, or mix and match with different textures and patterns for a playful ensemble that exudes confidence and style. With their timeless appeal and artistic flair, ladies' embroidered jeans effortlessly blend fashion-forward design with the classic versatility of denim, making them a wardrobe essential for any woman who values both style and substance. Ladies' embroidered jeans stand as a testament to the marriage of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary fashion. Each stitch tells a story of skill and creativity, adding depth and character to the denim canvas. From delicate florals that evoke a sense of whimsy to bold geometric designs that command attention, the embroidery on these jeans is a testament to the artistry of the maker. These jeans are not just a piece of clothing, they are a work of art, a manifestation of the wearer's personality and style. With their intricate detailing and attention to detail, embroidered jeans effortlessly elevate any outfit, transforming a simple ensemble into a statement look. Whether dressed up with heels and a blouse for a night out or paired with sneakers and a t-shirt for a casual day of errands, these jeans are versatile enough to adapt to any occasion. They are a symbol of individuality and self-expression, allowing women to showcase their unique sense of style with every step they take. Ladies' embroidered jeans are more than just a fashion trend, they represent a fusion of cultures, traditions, and artistic expressions. The intricate designs woven into the fabric tell stories of heritage and craftsmanship passed down through generations. From vibrant threads that dance across the denim to intricate beadwork that sparkles in the sunlight, each pair of embroidered jeans is a masterpiece in its own right. These jeans celebrate diversity and inclusivity, drawing inspiration from a myriad of sources, from indigenous motifs to modern interpretations of classic designs. They are a symbol of empowerment, allowing women to express themselves boldly and unapologetically through their clothing choices. Moreover, embroidered jeans offer a sustainable and ethical alternative to mass-produced fashion. By supporting artisans and small-scale producers, wearers can feel good about the origins of their clothing and the impact it has on both people and the planet. These jeans are not just a trend, they are a conscious choice to support craftsmanship and preserve cultural heritage. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, ladies' embroidered jeans also offer practicality and comfort. The softness of the denim combined with the intricate embroidery creates a luxurious texture that feels as good as it looks. Whether worn casually with a t-shirt and sneakers or dressed up with heels and a blouse, these jeans effortlessly transition from day to night, making them a versatile staple in any wardrobe. Ladies' embroidered jeans weave together threads of tradition, innovation, and individuality to create a garment that transcends mere fashion. They are a canvas upon which artistry flourishes, with each stitch representing a labor of love and a testament to the skilled hands that bring them to life. From intricate floral patterns reminiscent of vintage tapestries to bold, contemporary motifs inspired by street art, the embroidery on these jeans is a reflection of the diverse influences shaping modern culture. What sets embroidered jeans apart is not just their aesthetic appeal, but also the stories they tell. Every design has a narrative, whether it's a nod to a particular cultural heritage, a tribute to nature's beauty, or a whimsical expression of creativity. When you wear embroidered jeans, you carry these stories with you, becoming a part of a rich tapestry of traditions and experiences. Beyond their visual allure, embroidered jeans offer a sense of empowerment. They allow women to reclaim denim, a fabric historically associated with rugged masculinity, and make it their own. The juxtaposition of the sturdy denim base with delicate embroidery creates a harmonious balance between strength and femininity, reminding wearers that they can be both powerful and graceful. Furthermore, embroidered jeans are a sustainable choice in a world increasingly concerned with environmental and social responsibility. By supporting artisans and small-scale producers, wearers contribute to the preservation of traditional crafts and the livelihoods of communities around the world. In a fashion landscape dominated by mass production and disposable trends, embroidered jeans stand as a beacon of slow fashion, a timeless investment that transcends fleeting fads. In essence, ladies' embroidered jeans are more than just a garment, they are a celebration of creativity, culture, and conscience. They embody the beauty of craftsmanship, the power of self-expression, and the importance of mindful consumption. With every stitch, they weave together a story of resilience, diversity, and the enduring spirit of womanhood. Ladies' embroidered jeans are a testament to the enduring allure of craftsmanship and creativity in the realm of fashion. They embody a fusion of traditional techniques and contemporary design, resulting in a garment that is both visually captivating and culturally rich. The art of embroidery, passed down through generations, finds new life in the context of denim, transforming a humble pair of jeans into a wearable masterpiece. What distinguishes embroidered jeans is their ability to transcend boundaries, whether it be cultural, stylistic, or temporal. From intricate motifs inspired by age-old traditions to bold, avant-garde designs that push the boundaries of creativity, the embroidery on these jeans serves as a canvas for artistic expression. Each stitch is imbued with meaning, reflecting the unique vision of the artisan and the story they seek to convey. Moreover, embroidered jeans offer a sense of connection to the past, present, and future. They pay homage to the rich tapestry of global cultures, drawing inspiration from a diverse array of influences, from indigenous textiles to contemporary street art. In wearing embroidered jeans, one becomes a custodian of these cultural legacies, carrying them forward into the modern world. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, embroidered jeans also hold practical significance. The meticulous craftsmanship that goes into each pair ensures durability and longevity, making them a sustainable choice in an era of disposable fashion. By investing in embroidered jeans, wearers not only embrace individuality but also contribute to the preservation of artisanal traditions and the empowerment of communities worldwide. In essence, ladies' embroidered jeans are a celebration of creativity, culture, and conscious consumption. They invite us to explore the intersection of art and fashion, to embrace diversity, and to tread lightly on the planet. With their timeless beauty and enduring appeal, embroidered jeans serve as a reminder of the transformative power of design and the profound connections that unite us all. Ladies' embroidered jeans serve as a canvas for artistic expression, where threads intertwine to create a symphony of colors and patterns that evoke a sense of wonder and delight. These jeans are more than just a piece of clothing, they are a reflection of the wearer's personality, a manifestation of their individuality and creativity. With each stitch, artisans imbue these garments with a sense of craftsmanship and care, transforming them into wearable works of art that transcend time and trends. What makes embroidered jeans truly special is their ability to tell stories. Whether it's a floral motif inspired by the blooming gardens of a distant land or a geometric pattern that echoes the rhythms of urban life, the embroidery on these jeans carries with it a narrative that speaks to the diverse tapestry of human experience. In wearing embroidered jeans, one becomes a storyteller, weaving together threads of culture, tradition, and personal identity. They celebrate the rich heritage of embroidery traditions from around the world, from the intricate needlework of Indian artisans to the bold designs of Mexican folk. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment this channel.